Hey, today I have something new for you guys. A Boxy charm unboxing video. I am so excited. It's my first Boxy charm ever. So I'm going to go ahead and share this experience with you guys. Hey Fonsi fams, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe down below to become part of the Fonsifam family. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And today I'm going to share with you guys my first ever unboxing for Boxy charm. I'm so excited. It's like I said, my first ever unboxing charm video. Unboxing my first Boxy charm because it's the first time I ever get one. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Stay tuned for the video. So this is the May Boxy charm box. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. Charm for May, guys. It says Boxy charm, Mother Nature. Packaged with gloves and love. That's cute. Okay, I'm gonna start off by, this one was like already open. It wasn't even closed. It's called Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow. This is that shadow. I'm gonna try to put it there. I don't know if it's focused. And this is the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and swap it. Oh, it's like those jelly type of. I don't know if you could see the color. Can you? Okay, that was the first one. It's called Glimmer Shadow Cotton Candy in the color Cotton Candy. I got a Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. And the packaging is also really pretty with the star. I'm gonna smell it. Taste. I was gonna say taste it. It smells really. The mask. A Gerald Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Nude. It matches that glitter shadow. I don't know if you could see it, if it's focusing or not. A Pretty Bulgur what? I don't know what this is. It just says Pretty Bulgur. Eyeshadow primer. Pretty Bulgur eyeshadow primer. Comes like this. So that's already for stuff. We got another Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow. It's the ones that I said they're kind of like wet. This one's called Ice Latte. I'm gonna put it right next to the other one. You could hardly see it in my skin color. It's like that. And this one's the color. And the last one is Essentials Violet Boss Essentials Pro Series? Yeah, palette, eyeshadow palette. Let's open it. Ooh. These are the colors that are inside. Dusty Rose, Terracotta, Plumberry, Gold, Cinnamon, Emerald, and Black. Let me go get and swap that for you guys in my arm. This is the colors of the eyeshadow in order. Hopefully you guys like it. So here it is. It matches my bed sheet, guys. So this is the eyeshadow palette in my skin. They're so pretty. So this is it for that video. If you did like that type of unboxing, I will be doing it once a month since I did do the subscription for the Boxy charm, which I'm so excited. So if you guys do want to unbox the Boxy charms with me, go ahead and follow me and subscribe down below to the Fonsifam. Follow us in all of our social media. I will put the links down below and also in the screen. Deuces. Cuídense.